What's up, everybody? Good morning. Ben Levy here, aka Fire Breathing S2K on Instagram. Follow me right there. I'm gonna put it right there. But anyways, I have made one POV video with the S2000 before, but I haven't had the S2000 for a little bit. I have her back now. I got a new transmission, so it feels way better now. ZL11LE, if you guys are new to the channel, I do videos with all the cars at my house, G-Wagon. We have a McLaren 720S in the garage. And so yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. This is gonna be kind of like a little raw POV video in the S2000. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, this is my wide body supercharged S2000. Makes around 400 wheel. I did let the car warm up. This is the AP1 S2000. AP1 S2000 with the Craftsworks supercharger kit. I do have the smaller blower. I'm pretty sure it's like C3881, something like that. But it is the smaller blower. Still makes good power though. I made 415 wheel horsepower on the dyno. I am on E85. I have the Science of Speed flex fuel kit, even though I'm on full E85 right now. I just got a new trans. Why is he beeping? Why would it's kind of fun. Eventually I do want to buy like external mics and get one next to the exhaust and one in the hood, and I think you guys will be able to hear better. But I don't know, this car makes such awesome noises. I hope you guys can hear a little bit. Now if you guys are commenting now like, oh, why do you keep the top awesome, oh my god, I don't know if you guys can hear that, it's so bad. Would do a launch, but I just got this transmission and I feel bad to like do it right away, so but with the top down, it's not that bad. It's like I can deal with it. Guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. A lot more videos on this car coming soon. Make sure you guys comment video ideas and things like that. Make sure you share with your friends. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it this far in the video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.